Yeah.
For the World Championship podium for Pyraminx.
No, that's mean.
In third place with a 2.82 average, Elvin Thorsen.
So Elvin Thorsen did really well. Unfortunately, he got that counting 3.4. That really
Dominic Gorney
pushed him out.
And winning Pyraminx with a 2.40 average, Timon.
There were two 2.77s averages. So I think somebody might have been DNF'd.
Oh, yeah, there was something changed afterwards.
Aniket Das. He got +2 on his fourth solve.
Yeah, so he got retroactively +2 after they reviewed something. I'm not really sure what happened.
Might have been a timer stop or possibly inspection. But yeah, Timon,
I mean,
absolutely.
There's so many ways
dominated.
you can get a +2.
Yeah, that's true.
James, can you name them all?
I can. There's 8 ways. 4 4 before the solve and 4 after the solve. But let's focus on the podium. So.
You're right.
Yeah. But yeah, so Elvin does indeed sneak onto the podium.